day everybody, today we got this Porter 2 double cab intercooler engine model 2006. The car looks pretty good, engine is good. Let's review it and show you. Okay, inside this Porter right now, let's put the key on, start the engine. Okay, alright, engine started, lights are gone, everything looks fine so far. Let's try to accelerate and listen to the engine sound. Okay, it went up very smoothly. The engine sounds good. Listen carefully one more time. Okay, so far here everything looks good. Let's try the windows. We got window control here. Okay, first window works perfectly. Second window also the same. This window works just fine as well. Okay, we got the last window in here and it also works just fine. Seats, they look in pretty good condition as well. This seat here, passenger side seat, and this one here. This one can be removed, no problem. It's not the real one. You can take it out. Let's take here the audio.
4,016명이 코로나19 백신 접종을 받았으며 현재 인천 지역의 코로나19 누적 확진자
우리나라에서도 유람기라든가 헬기 같은 기록들이 많이 있죠. 또 그림으로도 남고
So the radio works very well. Not a lot of channels around this area, but it works just fine. Let's try the AC, most important thing. Okay, the wind is blowing strongly, but still hot air. It's hot air, not cold yet. Warm air. So I think the AC is not working. The fans, the wind is blowing very smoothly, very hard, but it's not getting cold air. Okay. Alright, what else? Yeah, let's try this one out. First show here. Brakes are very good. You can change gear very easily. Third, fourth, fifth. It moves very smoothly. Perfect. Everything looks just fine, and that should be everything from inside. Here's the engine here. The engine looks fine and good. Looks like no problem.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
Finishing here, reviewing this PORTER 2 2006 intercooler double cab. As you've seen, the car is in a very good condition. Engine is also looking fine. Interior is also fine. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.